Hi, I'm Danniella Ongmanchi. I'm a BSN student here at the San Antonio campus. I chose Galen for the clinical experience, and I've heard just so many great things about it. The hands-on experience as well that it gives me during my clinical rotations and even here on campus at lab and at the classroom setting. I love the small ratio from students to professors. It's a very small, close-knit campus, so you know everyone. You have a good support system with the people you're in class with and even with the professors. I really think that we do help each other out. Your peers are helping you out, your clinical instructors are helping you out, your professors are helping you out, lab is helping you out, and I love that we're able to come as one in nursing school because it is hard. Nursing school is hard, but with your support system here, it's been great. I'm having a time of my life, and our clinical instructors really do care about us and they want us to succeed. So that's why I chose Galen. Thank you.